leads to destruction. Respected judges and reverend audience, you are warmly welcomed here to get your minds enlightened on this surprising issue. Corruption is another form of tyranny. It is private gain by ruining public interest. It is a flea that sucks the blood of the people. Kierkegaard gives the basic corruption formula: monopoly plus discretion minus accountability. Rousseau has well said, power attracts corruptible. Absolute power attracts absolutely corruptible. Corruption has its roots in the mass migration, and lamentably the words of Jinnah. But robbery and corruption is a poison. We must put it down with an iron hand. Fell on deaf ears, it is well said, corruption is a crime without conscience. It is a cancer that steals from poor, eats at governance, and destroys trust. Unfortunately, the pillars of a state that are political elite, bureaucracy, judiciary, and military prove to be the stepping stones for corruption in Pakistan. Political corruption is epidemic because it runs on expediency, not ideology. Our societal ethos encourage corruption. The business sector is not a paragon of virtue either. Money laundering and tax evasion are global problems. Low salary and poverty is its lifeline. The accountability was a travesty of accountability. The menace of corruption lies in its self-perpetuation. It is no more shameful. The vicious circle is complete, and we are in the grip of its spiral. Dr. Niazi says, so great was the level of corruption that it would be declared as industry. The menace of corruption gives rise to plagued values, creates insecurity, poverty, misfortune, and denied equality. Brain drainage is a direct effect of corruption. Respected judges, corruption is rampant. We are again ready to see homeless people this August due to flood. Religious leaders find jihad only fighting with non-Muslims, but they overlook jihad is controlling their own whimsical desires. Embezzlement and fraud exist everywhere, but successful economies keep it to a minimum. There is a dire need of holistic and realistic assessment, broader vision, meticulous planning, and targeted strategy. This anti-corruption strategy must rest on 4 pillars: democratic reform, rules of law, associative civil society, and economic development. Meritocracy should be implemented, judiciary should be strong, CBR should be tougher, and work should be computerized. The more corrupt the state, the more laws. Respected judges, Ayesha shouldn't be suspended for detecting selling chunky meat. Chief Justice's house shouldn't be stoned for passing a verdict, and uprooting a park near private residence should be checked. Only lip service to anti-corruption is not enough. NGOs should work as watchdogs, and schools should emphasize tarbiyah. Good governance and transparency shouldn't be handed to NAB and NRO alone. When you don't stand against corruption, you tactfully support it. It's self-defense, it's patriotism. The strongest deterrent is public opinion. The anti-corruption begins from you. Thank you.